Hello you all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Josie, and I think we're like a little bit late for this, but I went with Lacey on her birthday last week, and we were just walking around at various stores, and there wasn't much Valentine's decor, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait like a week and then go with you all, and we're gonna do a video. Now I feel like we're too late, so somewhere in between that week, it seems like people were buying, or maybe just this year they're not putting out as much Valentine's decor as last year. You're gonna see in some of these clips in some places they're already like on to Easter. I'm like, whoa girl, slow down. I've not even decorated for Valentine's Day yet. But regardless, we are still going to go shopping together. I think we went to like 5 different stores. I'm pretty sure it was 5, but I'll put it on the screen as we're like changing stores. But there were still some very cute things. I'm filming this intro after we've already went. So no fear, like there's definitely some cute things still to show you, but it's just way less than what I noticed last year. Let me know if you all think the same after, you know, we shop through everything. But without further ado, let's go shopping. So last time I was in here, the selection really was not that great, so I'm hoping that we can find some other things today that wasn't here before. But I'm already seeing a little bit more, so that's good news. This little mug and coaster is really cute. The mug comes off, of course. I think that's cute. It's in the shape of a heart. It comes in white as well. This little I love you sign is really nice. I don't know if you put anything in there or if it just looks like that, but that's pretty cute. They have some of these little Le Creuset dupes here. So these pillows I did see last time, but how cute is this? I love that. They have these as well. What I think I would just like use it for decoration, honestly, but it is super cute and it does open up, so you could like store, I don't know, maybe remotes, or it has to be something small, but very, very cute. Here's what it looks like open, just to show you all. Seems like they're transitioning to a lot of the organizational things that I've been seeing out, but they do have this little heart vase, which I thought was really cute. You'd have to put really teeny flowers in here, but how cute would that be if you actually did fill it up? I've seen these going around as well. They're just little like storage things, very tiny, probably like for jewelry or something, but here's a bow and there's some lips as well. So they definitely have updated this area since the last time that I've been here, but it's not Valentine's. It's like all spring. I see like a few things down there. We'll go check, but am I late? I feel like I didn't show earlier because there was nothing, but maybe I'm late now. Here's an overview of the hearth and hand area as well. Yeah, there's no Valentine stuff here at all. So we'll look through this and then we'll go like see if there's anything in the back as well. Okay, so both of these are really cute. This one's 15, this one's 10. I like those a lot. And then I've seen this and I really want to get this and just cut it, but I'd hate to spend $15 just to cut it up. But I really want this to be like vase filler. I just love the print so much. So I'll have to think about it. See, they already have like this vase filler, but I just don't like the prints as much as I just love that. I think it's so pretty, so I don't know, I'll have to think about it. I mean, this one isn't bad, but I just like that better. They also have this one too. And here's another garland option as well. It's like beaded. That's really cute. This $10 tray is pretty cute too. Just like a glass heart tray. They have these candles as well, which I think are really cute. This kind of looks like pancakes. And then they have this cake one. Yeah, those are nice. And they also have these little taper candles that have little lips on them. And then down here I just see a bunch more candles. Oh, they have this little heart box and this, and then that as well. 2 little picture frames for $10. Those are nice. $20 pillows. These are very, very big. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I just hit you. Yeah, these are huge. Okay, so here's a few things down here, and I honestly think that that's it for Target, so I don't know if I'm late or if I was too early before and then everybody came. Oh, they have these little filler hearts, which are cute, for $5. And they have this garland. That's cute. I like the kind of like disco theme that's going around this year. These little hearts, the XO, the disco garland, and then the little heart disco ball. That's really cute to me. Oh, I've seen these are really popular on the internet. These little $5 things. Cute. They have the houses that are so popular now. A little love bus. Me and you. Yeah, not too much of a variety here, honestly. But they have these birds that have become really popular as well. And I always think that these are cute too. Like, that's cute. Here's a little bit more garland. I think this one is just really small. And they have these little bird fillers as well. Oh, they're like in nests. That's cute.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yeah, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide. No, I'll do it right. We got all night. I'll take you so high. Yeah. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. And baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. And baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything, and I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. I wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go, 'cause girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do.
Okay, looking pretty cute here. Let's dive in. So this really isn't Valentine's Day, but it's the first thing that caught my eye. How beautiful is this for outside? They have quite a few Hello Kitty things, but I thought this is so cute. Be my Valentine. You put a little tea light candle there. That's so sweet. And then they have these as well. These little coasters are nice for $7.99, not too bad. And then they have this food storage as well. I'm trying to pick it up to show you all. Nested heart-shaped aluminum food storage for $12.99. I love this vase for $8.99. How cute is that? This little dog is catching my attention too. He's $4.99. I also really like this love sign here. That's so cute. I'm so sorry for the amount of times I'm gonna say cute in this video, probably way too many, but I really like this vase as well. And then I like those. This xoxo is really cute too. And they have a couple new signs. I like this love one because it has this little like pink with it. Aw. $9.99. Moving on this side now, the first thing I see that catches my eye is this. I'm such a sucker for bows. Oh my goodness. I love that so much. They have this ginormous, I mean, it is so big, like little storage tray. Is it both? Is it two or just one? I don't want to be like lifting it up and I shouldn't be. Oh, okay, so it must just be the one then, unless they're just stuck together. I mean, that is huge. Like, here's my hand for reference. Let me show you all. That is gigantic. Let's see how much it is. $9.99. That is a steal. I love these little marble trays here. They have like a bigger one and a smaller one. The big one is $9.99. And then the small one, you can hear me like putting them down, they're thick. This one is $7.99. Honorable mention are definitely these. They are like glass, they are thick, they're heavy. So, so pretty. I think these little trays are nice. They're like appetizer trays. You could put candies in here. This one says love. Love that. I saw these items when I was in here with Lacey, but I figured I would still show you all. She actually ended up getting this, and then they have the Love Brings Us Home as well. And then these I think are really cute too. Just a couple other things here. I feel like these are kind of like gift giving type of things, but I actually really do like this little snow globe. It says you melt my heart. Aw, that's cute. $14.99. Oh, you guys, they're already putting Easter stuff out. We can't do that quite yet. So the only Valentine's wreath I'm seeing is this one, and I don't necessarily love that, but man, is this wreath so pretty for the spring. Last little table here. I'm realizing that these kind of like Christmas trees turned into every holiday is becoming really popular. I don't know how I feel about it, but this little love with the tulips is cute. I like this little wood. It's like kind of like a log. That's pretty. And then they have these little tapered candles right here. I think those are nice. Here's just an overview of some of the pillows that they have in my store. I really like these like lip ones at the bottom. Super nice. They have a couple of cherry and strawberry hand towels that you could definitely use in your bathroom. They have like matching bath towels as well. They have just a few blankets that I want to show you all. This one is really nice. And then this one down here. And they have this one as well. I love the colors in this. And then there's a couple on the side I'll show you too. So initially I didn't talk at all in Dollar Tree, and I was just going to do this section to music. I like to do a variety of talking and music for those of you that need like, you know, just a change as we're going through this. But I decided to voice over for a few reasons. Number one being they have a pretty decent variety of things here, like the Valentine's cards. I know Walmart obviously has like a ton more, but if you are on a budget, I think they had a decent amount here. And if you're a mom, do they still do like the Valentine's gifts in school? I always remember that being so fun when I was in elementary school, like giving out the little Valentines. But anyway, I'm just showing a few things here before I show you all. If you're hosting any sort of like Galentine's, Valentine's party, any sort of get together, you have to come here. They are so crazy. Like, these are the craziest things I've ever seen. They have table covers. They have these little coaster holders. They have the little things that you like hang up from the ceiling that flow down. They have heart straws. They have plates, they have napkins, they have these little candy holders, they have little stickers, placemats, like literally anything that you can think of to put together the cutest Galentines or sort of a Valentine's get together. Like, do not spend money anywhere else. Come here. I was so impressed with that selection. That's what made me really want to get on this voiceover. But honestly, I did want to say too that let this be your sign that you do not need to spend an outrageous amount of money on seasonal decor, because this selection at Dollar Tree was honestly some of my favorite for the entire day, and they're all $1.25. Of course, they had some in like their little, I'm showing here actually, good timing, Josie. They're showing the ones that are like $3 and up, and there are a few cute things, but if you're on a tight budget, you could totally go in here and find some really cute pieces for $1.25. So don't let this internet fool you that you need to go buy $1,000,000 in Valentine's decor because it's just 1 month, okay? Okay, that's the end of Dollar Tree. You guys, I'm shook. I really shouldn't be surprised, but look, it's all Easter.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 on and on, 계속 보는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart, I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like, you got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but, I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to, you make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like, just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐, come on outside. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you don't need to know my whereabouts. I don't get too lonely, yeah. We don't need to keep affording. Look at me, just baby, I do it. 매일 on and on, 계속 on and on. Baby, come and show me, yeah. Take my heart, I never thought I could love this hard.
And that is officially the end of our little shopping trip together today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like shopping videos like this, if you're into just shopping in general, home decor, things like that, I would love to have you. I do like a lot of, especially like seasonal shopping videos, I love to do. And then I am plus size, so I like to do plus size shopping videos as well. So I would love to have you if you're new here. Let me know your thoughts down below on what we saw today. Are you in agreement that like the selection was definitely not as much as the years before? Let me know, but I will catch you all in the next one.
Oh, I can't get enough.